What's going on? Top of the morning to you. It's Chris Badgett from LifterLMS, and in this video, I want to talk about a popular misconception in WordPress, which is that LifterLMS is expensive, especially compared to the other options out there. One of the things people don't realize is that the free version of LifterLMS, the core plugin, so similar to WooCommerce, there's a free core and then paid add-ons. The free core plugin and one $99 payment gateway is incredibly powerful. I would encourage you and challenge you to compare that stack to any other solution on the market inside WordPress and also outside of WordPress for the incredible value there. And on top of that, right now through January 8th, we are having a e-commerce add-on only sale where you can save 30% on those e-commerce add-ons like the Stripe or the PayPal or the WooCommerce or the Authorize.net. So what those allow you to do is to accept money, credit card payments or PayPal payments automatically through your WordPress LMS website with LifterLMS, and you get all the incredible benefits of the free core LifterLMS plugin. Now these are 30% off between now and January 8th. This is our end of the year, beginning of 2021 sale. LifterLMS, we understand what it's like to go to market, to need to validate, to keep costs down. And that's why with our free core plugin and with the sale price, a $69 payment gateway, you can get launched. If you end up needing one of our fancier add-ons later, like private areas, if you're going to offer coaching or social learning, if you want to add a social experience community component to your site, you can add that stuff later. Go to market for $69. In fact, many LifterLMS customers, that's all they need. They just need the free core and a payment gateway, and they're good. So I would just challenge you to consider the thinking around LifterLMS being expensive, and especially right now when you can get the free LifterLMS core plugin and a $69 payment gateway. I'm Chris Badgett from LifterLMS. Click the link around this video wherever it is, and I want to wish you all the best in 2021. And if your dream, if your goal, if you're already on the mission to lift up others through some kind of online training in 2021, I'm your biggest fan, here to support you, and I look forward to being with you on the journey. All right, I'm Chris from Lifter. Have a great rest of your day.